G'day, my name's ET. Welcome back to ET's Collectibles. For those who have subscribed, thanks for subscribing. For those who haven't, please do, so this channel can grow. As you can see in front of me, it's not a Megazord this time, but it is another thing from Power Rangers, the Lightning Collection, which is brilliant. And I'm doing King Sphinx from Mighty Morphin. This is my first villain I'm reviewing because I've normally just gotten the Megazords and Rangers and all that. This is my first villain. So, yeah. But here's the box. There's King Sphinx. I'm sorry for my light. But yeah. There's what it's going to look like when I take this out. King Sphinx again. Lightning Collection. Yeah. Sorry. So this is already opened. As you can see, there's no sticker because I got this from a friend of mine. The one who gave this to me. So here we go. Oh, that is cool. I like that lightning bolt. Oh, wait, hang on. That's something in here. I think it's some instructions or something else. Or a warning. Yeah, just the warnings. Not bad. Okay. Let's look at how cool this is. See if I can try and make sure I pull this out without destroying. I'm sorry if it's loud. I'm really sorry if that was loud, but yeah. But just look at the detail on this. This is absolutely brilliant. The head doesn't have much articulation. Yeah. But there's some Egyptian writing on here, which is cool. Then you've got his Egyptian writing here, which I think was placed in the show. I can't remember. Then we've got I don't know if that's the all-seeing eye or not, but yeah. But here's some more Egyptian writing on his loincloth. Yeah, but I will put wings in now, and we can see how he looks with his wings in. Okay, here's one of them. I'm just a bit afraid I might ruin it, so yeah. Oh, almost had it. I'm doing this right. I have it the wrong way. I'm pretty sure I had it the right way. Sorry, this might be a long video because I'm trying to figure this out and trying to make sure that I can get this in. I'm sorry, everybody. Might get bored trying to struggle with this thing. Yeah, so there's one wing. Just gonna make sure it doesn't fall out or pop out. The next one. Almost lost that. Okay. Sorry. I know you guys are probably already bored watching me struggle how to put this on. Okay, there we go. Okay, wings may be a bit crooked. Or not, I don't know. But there we have him with his wings. The articulation's not that good, but yeah, can't even bring it out fully. Can I take this off? No, I'm too afraid that I'll break it. But the articulation, I think once I've moved them a bit, because this is brand new, so the articulation's a bit stiff because this is sort of brand new and it's only been in that box for a bit. But I'm going to take off these hands, but these hands are cool looking. There's the feet. I can take these, pull these out. I'm just afraid that I might break them. Sorry, guys. I'm trying my best here. Yeah, this is my first time of doing this with a Lightning Collection toy or figure. Just too afraid that I might break them. There goes one of the wings. Oh, there we go. That one. Okay, so I'll take out this hand real quick. Throw on the other one. As you can see, it's a fist, where this one is an open claw. There we go. That's that one done. Sorry if this is going to be a long video. Yeah, I know you guys will probably get bored at me trying to talk too much and stuff, but yeah, I'm trying to just figure out how to do this, and yeah, almost have it. Got it. There we go. This one, now this, I know this hand holds the staff, but this is kind of show accurate, I think, with from him. Yeah. I'll take out the staff now and put these on. This is the only Lightning Collection figure I have, so yeah, I think I've done something wrong here. I have done something wrong. Okay. So I'll take this hand out if I can get it out again. There we go. I'm pretty sure that this one is not the right one. This is the right one here. Just looking at the back of the box real quick. Oh no. I had the right. I think I just need to figure out how to put it in. I had the right hand. How to. Just don't know how to put. Crud. Sorry. Going flying. Okay, let's see if I can get this in properly. There we go, got it. Had to force it a little. And now we have these weird question mark things. Did anyone know that he did this? I didn't. Sorry about this. I'm just trying to figure out which way to put it on. Can someone let me know in the comments below if I'm doing this right or not? But yeah. I'm pretty sure I'm doing this wrong anyway. There we go. Here we go. King Sphinx. With his staff. And these question marks. And yeah, but the detail on these are awesome. On the Lightning Collection are awesome stuff. You can move his tail up. Make sure the wings don't fall out again. Yeah, but like I said, the articulation in most of these are a bit stiff because I have just gotten this out of the box, so yeah. But I do kind of like this because this is my first ever Lightning Collection figure. Oops. Sorry, guys. But yeah. And you can pose him in different ways, like have him posing and shooting his lightning thing at Jason. Yeah, but that's basically it. But where's the other one? But you could also come with 2 spare hands, so if you lose these 2, you can either try and put the stuff with these. Don't recommend because you might need that one. Yeah. But I do love how every feather is like, I never knew it looked like masks. They look like masks, not actual feathers, but yeah. Kind of look like some sort of weird mask looking thing. I don't know what, but yeah. There's some more hieroglyphs. Yeah, just the detail on these are awesome. Like I said, the head doesn't have a lot of articulation, so you can't fully turn it around, but yeah. But thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I know I did, but I've tried, like I said, I've tried my best at trying to do this properly. So the first time of me trying to do this, but yeah. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. May the power protect you, and peace.